What's going on, e-riders? Hello, hello. Welcome back to the Peter Parker Show. Today, we're gonna go to a new little route. We're gonna go to Venice, but not quite Venice. Just a little different route than we usually go. I've noticed also my bike is acting up a little strangely. It's not quite going the right speed. As you can see, it's going only 10 miles per hour. It's kind of problematic. So, since I noticed this, I'm gonna fix that right now. Alright, sometimes when you have the app open for Super 73 and you leave it on level 3 or level 2, it doesn't quite go the same speed, so you have to kind of change it on there. It's kind of strange, but yeah, it doesn't seem like it's working. Yeah, that's problematic. Okay, so that doesn't work. So if that doesn't work, the last option is to turn it off. Wait for a minute and then turn it back on. Okay. Let's try that one more time. There it goes. Oh, it's working now. Oh my gosh. That was scary. The torque is not as good when that happens. So you'll know right away when you hit the throttle and it doesn't go fast. It just kind of goes really slowly, like 10-15 miles per hour. Then that's when you know that's the problem. I still haven't figured out what that noise is from my bike. Still trying to figure that out. Nothing bad, like everything seems to be fine, but it just kind of upsets me to hear it. It's like, I think it's like you can't really hear it in the video, notice, but it's like a plastic grinding or a plastic tapping. So I'm not sure what that is, but everything seems to be okay though. I'm wearing my high-vis shirt on so people can see me. And oh, by the way, I wanted to thank you guys in the last video for all those for just being nice and just, you know, asking if I'm doing okay, or you know, sympathizing with that almost car accident I had. It was actually really scary. It was like one of those situations where it's hard to maneuver because you're kind of trapped between the curb and the car. But that's why I wear this high-vis shirt, just to make sure that people can see me. It's scary, man. This place is scary to drive. That's why I always recommend you guys to drive in rural areas, or kind of like small streets, instead of like in the city, because the city is unforgiving. It's very scary to drive in the city. You know, one thing I never understood about bike lanes is why would they put the cars right here next to the bike lane, so whenever they open the door, you just hit it, you just crash against the door. It happened to so many of my friends. So many people that I know have crashed against the door of the car opening because they didn't look to see if there were bikes coming. Why wouldn't they change that? Why do they keep doing this method of bike lane where they put the car right here? It doesn't make any sense.
You do not need.
32.
Huh?
32 miles. Look at these guys. That was pretty dope. Those kids were cool. I wish I could do some wheelies on this guy. That'd be dope. What do you guys think of the new route? Got to meet some cool people along the way. That was pretty dope. Oh, I feel like raindrops on my face. Huh. Ooh. Wow. Do you guys see these clouds? So crazy. That didn't work. I wish it had suspension in the back. It's a heavy bike, so